Alright folks, so I have the Benjamin Bulldog air rifle, and this is what I've been longing to take care of. You see that? He's a big one. That's a groundhog. Huge one. They go by different names, but this is what he's been eating. My hard work, my garden, raised flower bed. But today he met his match. Didn't make it. Got him right in the head. There he lays. And it's from way over there, that window to the, you got a steady hand, that window to the far left. We're talking about a good 45 feet. Nailed him. Benjamin Bulldog, y'all. 357. I got him. Got him right in the head. Took him out. So if you want to invest in getting a good high-powered pellet rifle that can maybe help get some of these varmints out of your yard, if you know safe shooting, I recommend it. All right, just wanted to add this, show you the power of that pellet rifle. Finally got him. That's it.